Everybody, today we're going to go over my 5 favorite bushcraft items that are under 25 bucks right after this sweet guitar riff. Alright guys, let's get right into it. Well, actually we'll probably make some coffee first. That French press is just the way to go. Anyways, so right off the bat, yeah, my 5 items. I'm kind of basing that over when I go out in the woods. What do I have with me and what am I using? It's not just what is the prettiest to look at or whatever. Because if we had to go by the prettiest thing to look at, then probably rank me at number 1. I'm just joking. Okay. Yeah, but first off, okay, let's just get right into it. First item on the list is this Collins hatchet. Okay, I picked this up from a hardware store. I believe it was just under 25 bucks when I got it. I made this little leather mask for it. You know, I've sharpened it up real good. Right, you can slice paper with it. Got to put a nice edge on your hatchets and your axes. I don't know if you can see that. Cat burned me in a nice little flower on it, so it's nice and pretty. But if I looked at all my hatchets and I had to guess which one would be my favorite, this wouldn't be what I would guess would be my favorite. But like I said, for some reason I keep taking it out in the woods with me, okay? I think it's just, I like the way it feels. It's got a short enough handle where it packs very easy. I kind of like how it hooks down there at the end. It just gives you a nice grip. It's nice too for, you know, if I'm carving, you know, like doing like one of these, you can make some feather sticks with it. I've just found it very comfortable. It just fits my hand well. Maybe it's because I have big hands, and you know what they say, you know, if you have big hands, you probably clap loud. So anyways, that's my number 1 item, is this Collins hatchet, okay? Number 1, or number 5, however you want to look at it. So the next item, we'll just say the next item, coming in at $22.53 is what I see them on Amazon right now for, is, if I just can get it out of the bag, the Yuko candle lantern. I absolutely love this thing. If you hang it in your tent, it's enough so you're not in pitch black. You know, this doesn't light up camp. I'm not going to try and tell you something that it doesn't do. My favorite thing, if you have to walk away from your camp at night, maybe get firewood or something, you don't have to walk very far to get lost. And if you hang this up in the tree, I can easily see where camp is. It also comes with 2 extra candles. Or I believe it came with 3 candles plus 1 in the chamber. So, you know, the second item on the list, how about that? Yuko candle lantern. Actually, let's light that for the rest of the video. Unscrews there. Light it. Pop it back in there. Lock it in place. And there you go. Okay, next item on the list. You guys all know this one. Old Faithful Mora companion knife. Okay. This is a leather sheath that I make, and I'm actually going to have these for sale soon on the website, 1990co.com. But anyways, this knife costs $12.95 from my surplus store. They literally just had a box of them on the counter. I know it's not full tang. It's a little small to baton wood with, plus it's not full tang, so I probably wouldn't want a baton wood. I like the way this fits my hand. It handles well. I'll say I can put the best edge on this knife of any other knife that I have right now. It just keeps ending up on my belt when I go into the woods. Or, as you can see, I've been trying out like a neck knife kind of deal, which has its up and down, but that's a whole different story. I would say no matter what level you are, you should probably own one of these, but especially as a beginner, right? That wraps up that. So next up, we have this $5.94 mess kit from Walmart. It's got this handle that holds everything closed, and it comes apart. I keep a spoon in there because I like to be redundant on my spoons. They're a very easy thing to forget, actually. But inside, we'll start with the inside and work out. So inside, you have a pot. Now, it did used to have a handle, and the handle broke off, like a basket-style handle. But you've got a pot in here with a nice little lid. So I'll usually cook my potatoes in here because you can put the lid on and really steam something up really nice. The container for all of it is you have a skillet here with a nice handle that just folds down. Then you have this, which can be used as either a plate to eat on, another pan for frying on. It can also be used as a lid if you're cooking something on here. Yeah, another thing, I mean, like they all come back to, this is what I keep taking in the woods with me. Throw yourself a spoon in there, and You can't go wrong. Okay, so final item on the list, and we're actually going to do one more as an honorable mention here as a bonus, right? Free bonus content on the channel. Final item here is this Energizer headlight. $9.94 at Walmart. Here's why I like this. It's got 3 modes: high, low, and off. I have other headlights where they have, 2 buttons on them that do 20 different things. And, if I just want to turn my headlight off, sometimes I'll press the wrong button, or I have to keep cycling through, and then I accidentally, just keep flashing this light, and then someone's out in the woods and they think that I'm being eaten by a bear because I'm just trying to turn my headlight off or something. And I'm signaling for help. No, I like this light a lot because it's simple. The battery life on it takes 3 AAA batteries, and the battery life on it is rated for 20 hours on the low and 8 hours on high. High being 200 lumens. I think it's a 200 and 100. I don't go into the woods to rely on a headlight for navigation, so I guess 200 lumens is why that works for me. This does plenty for being able to work around camp, finding firewood at night, organizing your gear at night, doing all that stuff that you need to do. I found that 200 lumens is more than enough for me. And coming in at $9.94. Yeah, that's the last. And like I said, there's an honorable mention now. This was the last item. The headlight is the last item. Our final piece of gear in this very wonderful video is a single wall stainless steel canteen that I got from Goodwill for 99 cents. The reason I didn't want to put this on the under $25 is because this is thrift, so it kind of relies on luck, where everything else I kind of can tell you can get for under $25 now. It's actually kind of hard to find online, I found. A single wall stainless container is the only way to go for me. They're super lightweight. You scoop your water out of the ground, you put this straight in the fire, and you can boil your water there. So for that, you can't beat a stainless steel canteen, the usefulness of that. And that wraps that up, guys. That was the last item on the list. All right, we made it. Leave comments of what you guys have scored, maybe even a thrift find, maybe used gear you find under 25 bucks. I love hearing about stuff like that. So leave it in the comments. And otherwise, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day, and I hope you're doing well.